Hello guys, I'm delighted to share with you today our new Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year Peking duck. So all arrives in one box. So we've got two menus, 40 pancakes in here. We've got some duck sauce and some osmanthus and sugar, spring onions and cucumber. So here's our duck. We're going to cook that for 80 minutes at 180 degrees. We're going to get our pancakes going in the water, cucumbers and spring onions into julienne, and then leave to rest for another 20 minutes.
It's just a very good blend of flavours. Sweet, sharp, plum, the fruitiness, a little bit crisp, and nice soft duck in a hot pancake.